The Alter Grid widget helps you display your blog or posts in a unique grid style. This tool allows more information to be scattered on the display. From the layout, you can set the column number to increase or reduce the number of posts on display. Use a decent item gap by securing enough white areas for better user experience. You can reposition the content on top of blog post images. Also adjust the image height to achieve a suitable image size. Let's see all the three layout styles one by one. On Query, you can select the source of the display items from posts, pages, and landing pages. There are options for choosing specific category, tag, or format also. The additional section has a bunch of switchers. Turning them on or off will show or hide titles, categories, authors from the posts. Moving on to the Style tab. From the Items section, you can attach borders around each post by adjusting the border width. Select the type of border and border color you want to display. The title can be customized by changing the color and typography. The color option works for both the active mode and hover mode. For the text, you can change the color and typography as well as insert a margin value for repositioning. Note that the author and date sections has color, author image size, and typography options. The category section is for customizing the category that is placed on top of the title. Let's change both the text and background color and add some padding on it. Change the typography for better visuals. That's it, your blog post is now ready to be published. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe this channel and stay with us. Thanks for watching.